Want to share your photos using a Google Drive link? In this video, I'll show you how to upload photos to Google Drive and create a shareable link quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner, then tap Upload. Select the photos you want to upload from your gallery. Wait for the upload to finish. Once uploaded, locate your photos inside Google Drive. You can also create a folder to organize multiple photos. Tap the three dots next to the photo or folder. Then select Manage Access or Copy Link. Enable anyone with the link. This allows others to view the photos without requesting permission. You can choose whether people can view only, comment, edit files. For photo sharing, Viewer is usually the safest option. Tap Copy Link. Now paste the link anywhere. WhatsApp, email, Instagram, Messenger. Anyone with the link can access the photos. You can also do this on a computer. Open Google Drive in your browser. Upload photos, right-click the file or folder, select Get Link. Set access to anyone with the link, then copy and share the link. Be careful when sharing personal photos publicly. Anyone with the link may access your files if permissions are set to public. For better organization, create separate folders, rename files clearly, use albums for different events. This makes sharing much easier. And that's how to create a Google Drive link for photos. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below. Check out the next video for more Google Drive tips and tutorials.